watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. One more time. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. Okay, we're going to make a fruit salad. Okay, let's go. Got bananas, papaya, a mango, a pineapple. Okay, let's cut this and come back to make this fruit salad. Okay, I have cut the fruits now and I'm going to mix them together. I have pineapple. I put it to the bowl. Then I have mango. Put it down. I have papaya. Put them papaya. Now I have banana. Put the banana. Now we need to put sugar and salt. I got 3 spoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, right. Then I have salt, teeny bit salt. A teeny bit, okay, not too much. Little bit. And I have plums. I put down the plums and whoa, big fruits. Now we need to mix it together. Mixa, 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 mixa. There's blood sugar. So much. Okay, I mix it well. Now let's eat it. Gloop. 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 Fruits are good for our healthy life. Let's eat it.